It's 4 degree.
4-degree swing arc on these. Yeah.
So pretty nice on-off switch on the front today.
That is cool.
You hit on, so it's going on.
Yeah.
Off. I mean, yeah, every mechanic knows. I mean, a lot of you guys are gonna be, oh, I've been a mechanic for 60 years. My grandpa was a mechanic. I know which way's on-off. But hey, it's just cool to see it.
I like the imitation. That's a good voice.
I know.
That is, because that's kind of how that would sound. 2
different flavors of this, you guys. First, we have the rubberized handle version for you guys that like that rubberized handle. You'd like that grip.
And then you have more of the traditional where it's all metal.
Right. If you're going to be doing heavier work, putting pipes on this stuff and really just wrenching at it, I'd probably go with that. If you're more into the comfort area, you know, and you know you're not going to be using this as like with a breaker bar or anything like that, you know, more precision work, I would probably go with the rubber grip one, right? So.
Wow, it just feels good. Just.
What feels better than 90 tooth, Eric?
92.
120 tooth. You guys, let me introduce to you from GearWrench.
Yeah, it's just nice, man.
The 120 tooth torque wrench.
Yeah, that thing's a beaut.
Dude, is this not a beautiful torque wrench, you guys? Listen to this. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Precision gearing. It's so smooth. It's so smooth. Whisper smooth, you guys. A lot of things happened on this tool. Not only is it made out of the great quality that comes out of Apex or GearWrench, but they've redesigned the handle, right? So now look at it. It's like it's kind of like a sword, right? Mm-hmm. So right in here, you're gonna have that grip. It's gonna prevent you from sliding on or off of the tool.
Now.
It's like a lightsaber, yeah. On the bottom, we have the GearWrench logo. A lot of knurlings going on here, so we have proper good grip. Easy to set. You're just gonna pull down and, you know, go to your desired number, put it on. Still had this one. See, this one doesn't say on off. That's weird. Just go up here, get your fastener, click, and that's it, you guys. So 120 XP, really good stuff on that. They also have it in half-inch, 2 different half-inch versions. One of the half-inch versions is the digital, you guys, and it just depends, you know. I'm more of an analog type of guy. I like feeling that click, hearing that click. But the digital is cool. It gives you extra features like angle, stuff like that. You know, if you're really into the higher end. Like I know a lot of aviation use GearWrench. A lot of race car teams use GearWrench. Another cool thing from GearWrench, you guys, is I don't know. I just thought this was kind of neat. You guys might think I'm an idiot for showing it. But one designed just for tires, just for wheels, right? It's got the little tire on the top of it. And it's all encased in rubber. So if I do, you know, I'm going to go tighten the wheels on this Ferrari and accidentally hit a wheel or something, it's rubber, it's not going to damage the product.
So you even got treads on there like a tire.
I know. Well, that's why I tell everybody when I pull it out. Remember I said, Eric, what's this for? And you were going, oh. And even Randy was like, what? It's a torque wrench, but I don't know what application. And nobody knew. But yeah, it's got the torque wrench. Granted, you can use it for any application. It's just specially designed with the rubber end cap and the rubber bottom here to be for wheels. So you put your wheel in, and I am the king of over-torquing wheels. I have damaged many of studs and wheels.
So that's what happened to my wheel.
Oh my gosh, dude, you guys.
Never knew that.
Yeah,
no,
I was always like, just more power. I mean, I've torn up some lugs and wheels. It's horrible. Not on my new Jeep. On the old Jeep, it's got some fishy lugs right now, and the rocks are.
Oh wow.
I know. Don't talk about the rocks like that.
Don't want to talk about that.
Don't want to talk about that because I didn't use the torque wrench, right? Because I was just in a rush and I was just like, I gotta go. I just make sure they're tight. And what happens? You don't realize the power of the gun you're using, and it over torques them. They're only supposed to be torqued like, I don't know off the top of my head, but like between 80 and 120, something like that.
Yeah.
Lifetime guarantee on the GearWrench stuff, you guys. I'm not sure if the torque wrenches have a lifetime lifetime warranty on the ratchet heads. So torque wrenches are a different animal, you guys. Every year, if you really need it for that precision, you're gonna have to get it calibrated. I don't know if it's every year with GearWrench, but I know most torque wrenches recommend that every year you get it calibrated.
Oh, I never even knew that.
Just to be sure, no. Yeah. And whenever you're storing a torque wrench, you guys, you always want to take the pressure off the spring, so take it down to 0. You know, you can leave it on there, but I've heard it's bad. I don't know.
Well, I think if it's spring activated, I would think that you would want to, because over time, I think it would compress the spring.
Yeah, it could. But let's know what you guys think, you guys. GearWrench, my favorite brand for sure when it comes to hand tools. I I love it, man. I just think it's great stuff, and I'm glad that, you know, we have a good partnership with them, and we're able to show this stuff off to you guys, because you go to Amazon right now. I think Lowe's has it. I think Depot has it. You see GearWrench here and there. Just search online for your closest distributor. They also have trucks, right? So, but trucks usually scare people off because like, oh, trucks. This is truck pricing. It's not truck pricing.
Nope.
You can get good deals on GearWrench stuff. Peace out, you guys. Hashtag TI Crew. Wherever you go, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, and don't forget to go over to TikTok.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.